Thinking, where do we go? Should we just go with the flow, hoping this boat floats?
Babe, are you sure you're not hungry, yeah?
Yeah, I'm really not hungry.
Cool. All right. We'll be back in a second, yeah?
Okay.
Babe, that lady's so nice. She gave me 2 free stamps, you know. So hungry. What are you doing? Yo.
Oh, sorry, babe. I'm just on Instagram.
I'm going to annihilate this chicken.
Babe?
Hmm?
Can I have some?
Are you being serious?
What?
I mean, I asked you if you wanted some food before. You said you wasn't hungry.
Yeah, I only want a bit.
Yeah, then I could have got you some wings or something, but you said you wasn't hungry.
Are you really going to complain about giving me some of your chicken? You're so selfish.
I said I was extremely hungry. I haven't eaten all day. You know what? I don't even argue. I'll go and get you some wings, yeah?
Forget it.
So you're not hungry then?
It's not even about that.
So what's it about then?
It's fine.
I don't even understand you. I asked you if you want some chicken. You say no. And now you're getting vexed at me because I won't give you some of my chicken.
You don't respect me or acknowledge any of your actions, but you can run around, yeah, complimenting other chicks and treating them like queens. You have no respect.
Other chicks? How do we even get here from chicken? Look, what are you trying to tell me?
Who's at Cherry Butt 69? Who's at Cherry Butt 69? And why have you liked 7 of their pictures on Instagram? 7.
Who?
Who's this?
I don't know.
You liked 7 of her pictures, Mark. I think you know who it is.
Nah. You know what? That must have been Daniel. You know how he is every time playing on my phone, liking bare pictures, taking a piss and that. I need to speak to me about that. It's getting out of hand now. Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
I'm not stupid, Mark.
I know you're not stupid. Look, why would I even lie to you? Look, why would I like 7 pictures of some fat ass bait chick from Jump Off? Knowing fully well you can see it in my news feeds.
Wait. I thought you just said you didn't know who she was. Yeah. Liar.
You want some chicken? The sauce in the bag. You know, I'm not even hungry anyway, so.
I know we both got issues that we ain't dealt with, and at times I could come across selfish, but I'm trying to show you the bigger picture with no filter. I done showed you it's real, you know how I feel, cause I ain't even gotta say shit. My action shows we got my